Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to access one of my Instagram friend profile and it shows user not found. So how to fix this issue? So my point of view, this is not a error, which means that this is happening for three possible reasons. And the first one of the reason is sometimes that user change their Insta old username to new one. So at that time, if you try to access that old username, it shows this kind of user not found message. And the second one of the reason is if maybe your friend blocked your Instagram profile. So once your friend blocked your profile and also you won't able to see your friend's profile. And the third one of the reason is maybe this Instagram team blocked your friend profile due to any community guidelines or other violations. So these three reasons are the main thing for that kind of user not found message. So my point of view, there is no possible to fix this kind of error message. At same time, some users are having this issue while try to log in their account. So if you get the same error while logging your Instagram account, so there is not possible to recover your account. At same time, this video not have any solution, then why I create it. So the video making purpose is just I create the one awareness because so many YouTube videos are available from the same topic like how to fix user not found error in Instagram. So all the videos are fake, so don't waste your time. So otherwise there is one and only way is available to recover your deleted profile. And the trick is just try to access this Instagram disabled account help page and then fill all the categories. So once you fill this section and click to send this request. So I hope once you send this request, you get the positive reply from this Instagram team. So 100% this video making is just I create the one awareness about this issue. So anyway, for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Tech. And thanks for watching.